How to get a loan for your retail business. If you run a retail store or an e-commerce business, you know that having capital at the right time can help you take advantage of big opportunities. Whether it's stocking up on inventory, running a marketing campaign, or expanding your product line, we've helped fund both brick and mortar shops and online stores. Our team works as independent brokers. We're not part of David Allen Capital, but we've partnered with them because they consistently bring our clients the best possible offers with speed and simplicity. DAC works with multiple lenders at once to find your best deal, often approves applications within the same day, and funds in 24 to 48 hours. And their $500 meet or beat guarantee means you can apply with others too. If someone beats their offer, they'll match it or give you $500. If your store has been operating at least 6 months, has steady sales, and your bank statements are in good shape, there's a strong chance you could qualify, even with average credit. If you're ready to get the funds you need to grow, click the link below in the description, watch the video from DAC's founder, and submit the quick application today.